Winnie here. Ah. 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 Locked in. Bedroom overhaul take 1. Femi here.
And I'm Winnie.
And we're about to fix our brand new bed frame.
Yeah.
So get ready. Oh, wait.
I do not love this angle. You gotta go higher.
Okay. This is Winnie's
But
angle right here.
leave your chin normal.
And
Can we just do this over?
no! This is not vlog style.
Isn't this how you do a vlog?
This is not vlog style. This is well, my name is Femi.
And I'm Winnie, and we are the Doyle-Marshalls. Before we begin, remember to subscribe to this channel, ding the notification bell to know about our videos coming up.
Yep. So we're gonna do a bedroom overhaul. Definitely don't forget to like, comment. Yeah. Let's get ready for some fun.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do today is actually set up our bed frame. We got our bed frame from Sleep Factory, and we're about to put it together. Now, just to let you know, usually when we put together equipment and stuff around the house, it's usually just me that does it. I'm the handy person.
Always be an extra.
Okay. But this time I was like, Femi, you gotta help me. So he's actually gonna be helping me with this.
So we're gonna be getting everything put together quite shortly, but definitely let's follow. Well, you follow us and let's see what we do.
Let's begin. No, but let's just lift it with me. No, lift it with me. Okay.
So today we're gonna really see who's the handy person in the house. So we're now just about to get into opening up all the boxes, and want to mention that this bed frame that we picked up was actually from Sleep Factory. So if you saw our previous how to buy bed sheets video, they are exceptional at service, been in the family business for a number of years, and they really helped us kind of pick out the best frame for us right now. So shout outs to Sleep Factory, thank you guys.
Yeah, let's see how this comes out.
Yeah, it should be fun. Okay.
All right, so we are about to open up the bed frame. I think it's the bed frame. It looks like it could be. Okay, I'm ready to do this. I mean, we.
I'm not gonna lie, you know I'm actually not doing anything.
Okay, so this is A, and then no. That's why I turned it around.
Yeah, what?
This way. half of step 1. So we just connected these 2 legs in the middle bar. Okay. Let's put one on.
What you can do is just pass. You take care of those ones.
Like this. This is what we're doing.
Is that it?
Yeah.
You sure for it? But why would we do this and we don't have the sides done?
I don't know. It says that.
Okay.
It says that that's a part of step 1. I don't know why.
So we just finished putting all of the slates together, which took a good amount of time, but we were super efficient because we were able to tag team and get it complete really quickly as well. This is what they look like when they're almost done, and this is what it looks like when it is.
Alright, next step. Alright, so we're still on step 1 actually. This is all step 1.
And there's how many steps?
There's 5 steps. But the other steps seem kind of easier, just anyway. So we have to take 2 of those foot things and put it on the headboard.
Well, that is nice. Let's show that.
Look how pretty this is! Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so happy.
It is so uncomfortable to hold this up.
It's so
nice.
pretty.
Okay, let's do this. Let us do. Can we turn up the fan? Because it'll sound.
Is it tight?
This is actually put together pretty good.
I'm so happy. Okay, we finished step 1.
Well, that's step 1?
That was all step 1. Oh, I thought you were. Okay, step 2. It's time to connect the frame together with the bed, with the headboard.
Okay. So we're like in mid-flow, all locked in, and realize we jumped to like step 3 and had to like problem solve right now. So
well, we didn't jump to step 3, we just forgot one of the steps in step 2.
Can't even see it. Look at this. Trying to take. Hold on.
So basically, we kind of missed one of the steps, or I just like didn't see it because the letters are so small. I didn't even know it was a step. And we forgot to put the legs on for the footrest. So we started like doing everything else and then realized, oh crap, we don't have legs on the bottom of this. So now I gotta do this backwards. And that's what I'm doing. So I'm just tightening up the foot here. Now the reason I can't turn this around is because now this footboard is attached to the rest of the bed frame. I mean, you probably shouldn't do that because you'll see.
Look at this. Look at this.
So,
well, either way, we're getting it done.
yeah, we're doing the thing again. So we're having my little Miss Engineer sister help me out because she's looking for something to do. Look at that beautiful sun on your face. Aw, you're glowing, girl. And she's gonna help us out. Apparently, she said, I don't know, something about ergonomics.
This is dumb ergonomics because this, like when you screw it in, this doesn't fit this.
It does fit it.
No, look. No, I mean this fit this, but like this, the distance between the screw and the edge, it doesn't fit. So you always have to turn it on top. You can't easily turn it.
Yeah.
And this isn't, like, why would you do that?
That engineering degree is paying off, huh? Huh.
See, now if you're trying to understand what Nigel meant is, see here, as Femi is screwing it, it stops, and he has to kind of start all over.
Yeah, you can't do it in a perfect motion.
Pause. I've literally been doing this one screw for the last like 10 minutes.
But, I mean, I'm sure a lot of you understand and have probably done this before, and this is not the first time you've encountered this, so.
Do what you gotta do for
I
now.
think what they try to do, to be honest, is try to make like one tool instead of like 5 different tools.
Yeah, so I think it's a universal tool. So like the tool that we got, my tool.
What is it called again? I can't remember.
The Allen key?
Yeah, the
This is called
Allen key.
So this Allen key came with the packaging of the bed frame. The Allen key that she's using over there is the Allen key that I actually had years ago from a BMX bike that I purchased. So
well,
it's
most
a universal.
Allen keys are kind of the same. So
Yeah.
I just pulled that other Allen key out so that
Which is the same one.
we could both do it on both sides instead of doing one screw at a time.
To be efficient.
Yeah, so we're just trying to be efficient. So Nigel's kind of using the other one.
That's a good plan.
Now while they're working on that, I'm just sitting here, you know, absorbing the
Take
light,
the Allen key.
looking at myself.
Use the Allen key.
Look at this glow. You know this glow that you see? It's actually
Why
sweat.
are you not working?
But
That's the real. Read the instructions. Do something.
oh my gosh. Okay, you know what I just realized? How cute is this bed frame? Like in the back, like, you know what I mean? I feel like I could take selfies on it. Don't you think? Okay, let's look at Femi's face. What does Femi think of this?
This is my wife. She's doing absolutely nothing right now but talking about selfies.
Bro, I did most of this stuff. I don't even know what you're talking about. I did most of this stuff. So, sorry for the mess, y'all, but this is pretty much like our bedroom stuff, so we're gonna put it all together. It's for the bed. So you see the pillows, the duvet, stuff like that. That's Femi's fiddle tree and the... Hey y'all. Okay, so we're halfway there. We pretty much put the outer frame together. And now we're gonna put like the stuff that goes in the frame. So we're on to step 3 out of 5.
It's coming.
Yeah, so that's the middle there. Okay. Next step. So step 4, we have to put the slates in. Is this? And you gotta put it in like so
Just finished step 5.
yeah, and step 5 is basically it together. I don't know if you can see that, but
We're done. We're done. So the
what that
next
means.
thing that we're gonna do is actually put the mattress on and start throwing
put our
on
sheets on and everything.
pillows and all
Yeah.
that other awesome stuff. So
Like wash our face and wiped off our sweat because that
This is a lot of
was a lot of work. And the sun is like beaming through our window,
yeah,
so
a lot of good natural lights happening
Yeah.
right now. So let's get this sexy sheets popping.
I'm so excited.
So I want to know, have you ever struggled knowing which way to put on the fitted sheet? Like, how do you know front, back? Comment below.
All right, so one thing about cotton sheets, I don't know if you can see them on here, but they do wrinkle easily because they are cotton, so that's that.
Yeah, one tip that we actually read.
We should put it in the dryer.
Well, we should be damp, that's what they said.
Yeah, you can like dampen it.
So we're just gonna set it up first, just so we can see what it looks like, and then we'll like redo everything. But the idea is like, supposedly if it comes out of the dryer, or you gotta like put it on right away, or if it's slightly damp, you put it on, and the cotton will actually not have the wrinkles on it. So we're gonna experiment with that and see how smooth we can get this 400 thread count cotton sheet looking.
So I've been watching some videos, and there's this trick to fold the bed sheet, like the flat sheet. So I'm gonna try it. They call it the hospital corner. I don't know if y'all have heard that before, but anyway, I think I did that wrong. Let's see if I can remember it without watching the video. So I think you tuck that in. Yeah. So I'm gonna attempt the hospital corner. So I think you do this, and you pull all of that, and you pull it over like this, and that's what that looks like. I think I did pretty good for my first time. It's the hospital corner, so it kind of gives it the smooth thing, edge, I guess. And you tuck it in. Femi, you want to try the other side?
Nope.
Okay, well, while that's happening, I'm gonna tuck this in.
This, my friend, right here, is a duvet. So we're gonna throw the duvet in to a 450 thread count duvet cover set. It's gonna stuff inside here, really look elegant with the white. And we have a number of pillows that we're gonna actually add to it as well. So it's gonna look pretty good.
Alright, so what you see behind us is basically our bed set up, and it looks beautiful with the white, and you can't really see it on the camera, but it looks good to us.
It looks pretty good. So a couple things that we will do for upgrades is, one, getting the throw. We weren't able to.
Yeah, I want to get a throw. That's more of a design thing, but also like if we want to sit or sleep, nap on top of the bed, but we don't want all of that extra stuff, we could just
fix it
throw
up.
on.
So a couple of the small things we're gonna do just to kind of like fix it up, but this investment was good. I think we're gonna definitely get some blinds now. I'm realizing the importance.
Yeah, I think we should get like blinds or curtains. We don't have that yet.
Yeah.
And then I think we also want to get like some new lamps on the side. We have some already, but this is step one of really getting our bedroom to look the way we want it to look and feel like home.
Feels good. Feels good. So
Yeah.
hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Definitely feel free to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't done it as yet. And what else? What else we got to do?
I think that's it. Stay
Yeah.
tuned. We have something. We have a little white fluff.
Fluff. All the white behind me. All right,
Yeah,
y'all.
this feels so good. But anyway, thank you for watching. We will see you next time. Stay tuned for more.
Ciao.
Bye.